Sí, sí, siéntate. Siéntate, que pues ya no. ¿Ya te sentó? ¿Ya está lista? Ay, una hora hablándole sobre esto y vean, sigue. No se ahora. Eh,
And we keep seeing
for a little bit now, so I don't see that changing. If this market can hold and sustain buyers, why would it change? Why would it change unless something dramatic comes in?
Something
I mean,
juicy
I
comes
see
out.
we've got a few tape bombs since I last was on.
Mm-hmm.
Tariff
But you could
news
have.
trumps data. That's the headline for here, I think.
Oh, it's a great
Trump's
headline.
data.
Yeah. We're right now, I'm still kind of interested in how it reacts when near the top of the candle from GDP this morning. But hands off for the moment.
Hands off, yes. I've been saying really big stair step patterns today. Really wide and big stair steps. 100-point moves back on the menu, it looks like. They were not really on the menu yesterday, but there were many of them today. Coach Jay, if you could, try refreshing your platform. And you know which one
Let me
I'm
try
talking
that.
about.
Yep, let me try it now.
Are there any levels that look enticing to you, Dakota?
Mm, no, I'm too. I'm on the side of this market feels like I don't think "fill" is the right word, but the way this market has been, it seems like this would be a like looking for short opportunities, but every short today has been ripped to the upside, right? Outside of like these small, I say small pullbacks, but they've been 100-point pullbacks. And I mean, we are still down 0.75%. We had that nice flush all the way up to 580s, and we're right back hovering around 500. Last hour of the day, going into MOC, I'm not seeing too much. It seems like a lot of chop for the past hour since I've been gone.
Yeah, big ranges. Chat, unfortunately, the VIP form was pulled down. That was form number 6. There's always tomorrow and the day after, though, chat. And
That was 7.
that was number 7. Okay, fantastic. That was form number 7. 8 and 9 will be coming tomorrow and the day after. And you only need one to win. But if you have more, it helps. The more you get, the more tickets you get into the raffle. But if you only get one, doesn't mean you can't win. Just decreases the odds.
Still recuperating from the tape bomb earlier. I have the 1-minute chart up right now where we went from 42 up to 72 in the 1 minute, traded 22,500 ES contracts.
Mhm.
That was definitely a fly in the ointment, especially if you were short, which thankfully we were not. Um, but yeah, desperate for new news.
Does seem like the market is waiting. We do have some news coming after the bell. It looks like we have Microsoft earnings and
Yes.
eBay. eBay is still selling things digitally in the internet marketplace. Shout out to them. I haven't bought anything off eBay in decades. Didn't know they were even still around.
Really?
When was the last time someone's bought something off of eBay? I want to put it in
It's a
chat.
great
Feel
question.
free.
It's a great
'Cause
question.
Really?
I certainly have.
I bought
Not.
something in December.
Really?
Yeah,
Was
I
it
did.
car related?
No, it's not. It's
Hmm.
actually in. It's
Was it a horse?
Eddie's the proud owner of it now.
Oh, nice. Congratulations,
Oh, the
Eddie.
card, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Auto
I bought a
parts.
guitar there, Dolby, like 20 years ago. I'm not a big memorabilia guy otherwise,
Yeah.
so I haven't done too much
Wow.
there. More of an Etsy guy now for
More of an
gifts. Remember,
Etsy
Mother's
guy.
Day is coming up. If Etsy wants to
Ooh.
throw a few bucks my way.
Wow. Okay. Oh, well, apparently I am the fool. Chat is very active on the eBay market.
Wow.
Outdoor
Okay.
Lounge
Outdoor
sells
Lounge.
350
What? Yeah.
a year. Bro, what are you selling on eBay, Outdoor Lounge? Are you actually selling outdoor lounge furniture? Because that would make sense considering your name. Man, market's hanging around 19,500 here. Pretty significant, I would say, wedge pattern. The Dorito is alive and well right now. Kind of stuck between 450s and 580s, about 130 point range, which is quite wide.
Just
So,
consolidating. I think just waiting for
mhm.
earnings. Earnings after the
Earnings,
bell.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
Meta's down
I don't see what
2.5%.
would we. Maybe we keep going up.
Oh, above below. Mohammed, thank you so much. Jay, above below Nasdaq.
I got you. Let's see. 19,000. 1 second. 19,520.
19,520. Whoever is on chat, the above below for 3 p.m.
Why?
will be 19,520. And Dakota wants an answer and a reason, Coach Jay.
Why? All right. So if we look at that spike that Jack was just talking about, that high volume spike, the low of it 19,461, the high of it 19,581. 50% of that exactly is 19,520.
Well, we're right there.
Mhm.
Yep.
You said it. Market
Mo
went
says
to it.
472. So
Ruben
I
was selling
think we.
Furbies? Go ahead, Jay. Sorry, that's besides the point.
No, it's all good. There really isn't much of a trade here, but I think we close inside this candle for sure. Is it above the 50% of it or below it?
Nice.
Back to Furbies. Somebody selling Furbies on eBay?
Ruben was. And Ruben, I did receive the package. I won't be able to open it until tomorrow.
Did you receive the package?
I did. James
got
Harden.
some.
I'm never in the office.
That's awesome. What is the package?
It says opened by me, so I hope it's not, I'll date myself here, Anthrax or something.
Anthrax? Yep.
Yep.
Not the band.
The band wouldn't be great either, but
No, they're kind of washed up.
preferable, I guess. Here we are hanging out around top of the not the CPI. I have brain rot GDP candle.
What's the high of that candle? That was today, right? GDP? Yeah, it was.
Well, I'm not looking at the high so much as the open, 55.48. So that's where we were right before the number.
Oh, I see. I got you. Okay. So we're starting to push up into the highs, not the highs, but above it. Above that GDP candle.
Yeah, we're above it a little bit.
You know what I might
Yesterday's
just
value
do?
area low. What are you gonna do, Dakota?
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna just lock myself out.
Okay.
Great TV.
Nice.
I appreciate it.
It's all on Jack and Jay now.
Sorry, guys. I mean, process over entertainment. Is that valid?
POE.
Oh.
By the way, guys, I have no opinion on the band Anthrax. I was just being cheeky. I haven't listened to any of their music. It's like the shade I threw at Eastern Illinois. I just kind of got on the train and just rode with it.
That's right. They're decent. It's not my favorite band, but I do respect the legacy that they have for
Thank you,
what they've
Mohammed.
contributed to American American music, but not my favorite band. All right. Well, Dakota, you're locked out, so you're now responsible for carrying the entire conversation while the other two try to find some trades.
Yeah.
So,
Some people still have not convinced me that 100 men will not beat a gorilla.
We're not doing this again.
we got 45. We got 45
Are
minutes.
you want to leave it up to me? We can talk about that.
All right, Dakota, you already
make me-
lost the keys to drive. It took you all of 30 seconds.
Don't make me get out the questions, the scientific closeness questions. Dakota, when's the last time you sang to yourself or to someone else?
These are fun.
Order
Last time
filled.
I sang to myself.
Or someone else?
I have not sang to another person that I can remember. Myself, I
Third date
sing
idea.
along in the car all the time when I'm alone, jamming out.
Follow-up question. What was the song?
That's a good question.
I don't know. I'll find out. I'll let you know. I'm gonna
Locked
find it
Up
in
by
my notes.
Akon.
Locked Up.
Good one.
It's by Chameleonaire.
Ooh, big chameleon.
Riding Dirty.
No, close. That's a close one. We could go with it. Let's see. Starts with "Good morning." Yeah, try and guess the song.
I mean,
Dakota, can you
you're talking to
rap?
the guy that confused Chameleonaire with Mims a few weeks ago, so I'm gonna stay out of this one.
Yeah. "Good Morning" by Chameleonaire. That's gonna be my theme song for when I come on there. You guys probably don't get it because you never heard it.
Yeah, it's a good song. It's a good song.
I just want to know if Dakota
there you
can
go.
rap. That's all I want to know. I don't want to know if he can sing. I want to know if he can rap.
No.
No. Okay. The answer is no. Okay. That's fair.
I did see Sinners this past week. It was wild. I enjoyed it.
Oh, you did? Okay. Yeah.
I did.
Chat put me
Still trying
onto
to see
that one.
Warfare, but I gotta go by myself. My wife's not into that one.
No, gotta go by
You
yourself.
can't take
no.
babies. Yeah.
You don't want to be that guy that takes babies into the movie theater, right?
No, not at all.
My rapper name is gonna be Little Coda.
That's so good.
It's got to be Decoder.
Order filled.
Decoder.
It's a great rap name. Maybe we can get a hashtag power hour for you for little Coda. Of Carl Hungus or Lost Trader, if you're out there, please, can we get a little Coda?
Like Brother Bear?
Yep. Speaking of which, hashtag power hour, go ahead and submit those to @TopStepTV on the X. Hashtag power
Looks
hour
like-
or hashtag fast markets. Yes, Dakota.
It looks like someone in the chat might have just heard the song for the first time. Good morning, haters.
Great song.
That's awesome.
Look it up.
I'm gonna have to check that out later. Well,
Yeah.
not much has happened in these markets here since we've been chatting. We're kind of stuck in a 40-point range, maybe even tighter than that, maybe like 25 points.
Nice little 20-point sell-off from my over-under level.
Yep.
And right back to it.
Up there. Yeah. That's a good level. I like it.
Nice higher lows.
Going into earnings, and I mean, yeah, we are making higher lows. I mean, since this morning, the New York session's bullish, right? Like we opened up, we sold off 150 points, and ever since then, we turned today green, just down 2 3/4 and right back up in the same day. It's volatility.
It's very volatile.
It
today.
so badly wants to go up. That's what I was talking about with the news trumping everything, where every non-news event, it's, if China takes a phone call, we're off to the races. If GDP is down for the first time since 2022, it's like, well, imports.
Yep.
That's what it looks like, right? As soon as New York session
Yeah.
opens, like, yeah, we forget about GDP. We're focusing
Yeah,
on
what do you want
this
to do?
Trump.
It's imports.
Buy it.
There's
They're
been
falling.
since the sell-off this morning, there's been an 800 lot sitting at 19,100 the entire day. They kind of came in right at those lows as we were making lows and just been sitting there.
You're saying it's still there
It's still sitting there. Yep.
on the Nasdaq?
Yeah, 19,100.
That's weird.
1,000 lots.
Thanks
sitting
for
at
reminding me, Jay.
19,000.
That was mine.
Oh yeah, you might want to cancel that before the earnings, unless you know something we don't, Gabe, and we can put on a trade based on it.
Front run it. That's all front run Gabe's trade.
Why would they still have it on?
I don't know.
Earnings, unless they're expecting a nice spike down there to get filled.
Maybe it's going to be like 10 billion sell side MOC, and they're going to get filled at 19,100, and it's going to rally 500 points. You never know.
Well, Meta it won't be interesting this time, although I'd be interested about Meta's earnings because they are an advertising company, right? Is usually some of the first things that you cut if you're trying to tighten the belt are your ad spend and marketing spend. Tightening the belt, Dakota.
I just wish they would fix the Meta Suite. That's all I care about. It's just trash, absolute garbage.
Robert.
Multi-billion-dollar company, and Meta Suite is just trash software for any sort of social media management. Got the interns on that one. Oh, stuck in a Dorito of the ages. Kind of do wonder how big that bull rally is going to be if we finally do get the tariff headwinds removed. If we make nice with China and everything's good, is that going to be the single greatest day
All-time highs, same day
in market history?
It would teach an important lesson because it would be like things are back to normal, but 1,000 points higher in the ES, right? That's kind of how I felt yesterday with the close of the liberation gap. Is that things have changed somewhat, but I mean we're gonna have to see what happens in the next 2-3 months to really get a good picture of that.
Yeah, it's going to take some time to see how these companies react. Coach Robert sent me a pretty interesting link. I'm gonna share it. This is for anyone who wants to learn something.
Order
new.
filled.
Let me Google that.
He would share that with you.
It's random. It made me laugh.
He would share that. Yeah, it's a great website actually. Really resonates with me sometimes. Sometimes it's really good. Ooh, look at us go here. We're down 25 points. We're down 25 points, Coach Jay. It's crazy. Oh, we just did back up again. This might not.
Question is, do you short 520s again? It's worked twice.
The only trade I have is more of a take than a trade, so I probably shouldn't take it.
Like a hot take? Is your trade idea?
Yeah. You know, like
I am intrigued.
People would say your gut, you feel it in your cockles that this is going to close somewhere within the CPI bar, that we're not going to close above this, not the CPI. I keep on calling that GDP bar. But that's not a trade idea. That is a take.
It's a take. Okay.
What's your take on the Lakers today?
I don't know. Like I've been watching basketball at all. Did they win? Did they lose?
What's going on in sports?
They're going to be playing. They're going to be playing. I told you, Coach Jay, last night. Luka tired. LeBron retired. Shannon fired. Timberwolves in 5.
Yeah, it's not looking great. I think they win tonight, but I think the series might be over in 6.
I can agree. Yeah.
What round of the playoffs are we in? This is like the very first round.
First round. Yeah.
First round. Okay. Cool. How the Bulls doing? Are they a good team?
No.
They're in
playoffs?
Cancun right
They're
now.
they're trying to
Cancun.
compete with college teams. They're trying to compete with college teams.
Oh, good. Hey, you know, A for effort, Dakota. A for effort. I'm sure that's what Chicago wants.
How did you become a Lakers fan again, or are you just a LeBron fan who
Yeah.
No,
travels
I'm
around with him?
when I was little, Kobe Bryant is and always will be my favorite player. And I watched Kobe and Shaq go back to back in early or 2002, and I've been a fan since. I'm a Kobe Bryant fan, like above any other basketball player. I just have fun with the YouTube chat with the LeBron debate. I might have a new favorite player though that I'm going to be watching, and
Mm.
we're seeing him shine and the Timberwolves.
Anthony Edwards.
Who misses
Yeah,
person?
it's gonna be gonna be my new favorite player as soon as LeBron retires.
Cool. Is that Ant-Man?
Active
Is
player.
that's him,
Active
right?
player.
Ant-Man.
Active player. Yep.
Yeah,
Yep,
double.
man. But Kobe is the greatest of all time, and no one could deny that.
I'm sure Jay has opinions.
No. No one could
Nobody.
no one could outwork
I
Kobe
mean,
Bryant.
This is
oh,
a
I was about to tell a
Chicago-based show.
story. I'll talk to you guys in the green room because
Order filled.
it's
Is
something
it
much
raunchy?
No, it's not even a raunch. You'll understand when I tell you. You guys aren't missing out on anything in the chat, but
Okay.
you'll understand why I can't say it. I shouldn't have mentioned that.
That's fair. Well, chat, you get a cliffhanger. Enjoy that one.
So Mo's over under level was 472.
Mm-hmm.
Coming down here, we get a reaction to it.
Stay
We buy
between.
it and trade back up to 520s. It's kind of the
Okay.
low
We
of
stay
this
between the
volume spike that we
around it?
had. Right.
I like 450s. That's like bottom of the 15-minute range. That's kind of interesting for maybe a little stop run. Could be some liquidity down there to grab.
I don't know. I've been looking for a flush all day, and I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Hasn't been a great
will-
trade, obviously. Go
I
ahead,
won't
Jack.
take a trade as a take, but I will not take a trade based on a take because I can't talk myself into buying this today right here.
Mm.
There's too much uncertainty, Jack. Too much weird stuff in the air.
I think, and this once again is Takesville, but when the big money comes in at the end of the day, I mean, they sold it in the morning on the open based on the GDP, and PCE
Order
wasn't that
filled.
good. So we're not. It's like we're grasping at anything to make it go higher. Some rumors of phone calls and stuff that there might be some selling at the end of the day.
Got it. Okay. Good thesis. I like that.
You know what?
Fly.
Maybe I go out to
Ooh,
Chicago and we play some basketball. We might have to play some pickup
That'd be fun.
That'd be
games.
such a shitty game.
It'd be pretty bad.
Who plays?
Well, I wouldn't be.
I'm
Abe
5'6".
does. But he's in Florida.
That's not happening.
Not for long.
I mean, you guys could.
Oh yeah. We're sending Gabe to Morocco. No, he'll be
I would
here.
go. Didn't GG invite us to Morocco? I think we can go. If GG's still around, we can go hang out with GG in Morocco.
We could stream it live, playing some ball.
Sure.
I could get up.
Yeah, can you dunk, Dakota?
No, no, not dunk, but I
Jack?
took.
Did you ever dunk?
I'm decent.
You're asking me,
Yeah.
who never played basketball, if I can dunk? The answer is I don't know. I've never
You
tried.
just have to jump high. You have to be good. You have to
Really?
jump high. Just
What's
put
up
the
with
ball
everyone
in.
not trying to dunk? That's like a high school and grade school like dream of most kids, right?
I think so.
At least
How could
attempting
you
it,
be
I
a
think.
Michael
Yeah.
Jordan fan
It was always in my
and not
dreams.
try and dunk?
The best I
with
could
the Fisher
do.
Price hoop. That was fun. Dunk
Yeah.
on that one.
I mean, I used to be able to touch the rim when I was like 23 or something like that, but now I won't even try because it would be embarrassing.
You can dunk the chicken nuggets.
That's right. What's your favorite sauce, Dakota? For dunking chicken nuggets in?
What kind of question is that?
It's
I
one of
do
those
not.
36.
This is a serious question. These are questions I ask on dates. This is serious stuff.
I
You should be writing. You should be writing this
I
shit down,
wouldn't.
Dakota.
Does your
Who
wife know
needs
about that?
sauce?
What? Yeah, because I asked her. These are the lines I used, Jack, to get a wife.
Oh, I thought it was your current dates. Just checking.
No. Don't do that anymore.
We have some
I'm
nice
472, so it's
tapatio.
not a bad trade there.
It was not.
It's still another
We
20-point
bounced
trade.
right off that.
20-point move. Yeah, we did.
I mean, we are in a super tight range right now. Chad, I'm so sorry, but the markets are not moving right now. This would be forcing trades through and through unless someone really, really likes a level, but it is viciously range bound right now. We got some big time news coming. There's uncertainty in the air. This is what happens, chat, when the markets are waiting. Not a whole lot going on.
Right
It's probably
before
just
earnings.
algos. Yeah.
So, Dolby, what were your other questions? You asked, what's your favorite dunking sauce and what other
Yeah.
gems?
I would say my
Go one at
favorite
a time,
sauce
Jack. One at a time.
is I mean Chick-fil-A sauce is pretty up there.
Mm.
Chick-fil-A sauce. I haven't had it for a while, but Tapatio, spicy.
Oh, you like the tapatio? That's a hot sauce. That's good.
Yeah, you said
Oh,
favorite.
yeah.
Yeah, right. Those two. Yep.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of blue cheese. Blue cheese dressing, I think, is really good. Oh, Carl Hungus delivered. Cannot wait. Cannot wait to see that. Shout out to Carl
Uh-oh.
Hungus. It's 2:30. Halfway there, boys. Halfway there. Also, Mandy.
Oh.
Oh, son of
There's
a.
the bell.
Gosh darn it.
We're halfway, and you've been asking for stuff to talk about. We might as well just do it.
All right, let's do it.
All right,
What we
but
got?
first,
Another
here are
true or
your
false?
top quiz winners.
He's talking.
Foot creep.
Sorry to Robert. I just threw a curveball at him. Polls in chat for nothing yet, but at the moment, here's your pop
We
quiz
already got
winners.
20 votes.
Or top quiz winners. Congrats to those that won top quiz today. If you see your name, you win an extra entry into the VIP drawing for next season.
Pollo muerto.
I
Second,
have a question for my bad, Gabe. I have a question for the 40 people
you're
that have
good.
already voted on this poll. How many trades did you preempt today?
Oh,
And what can you do
that's
to be
their
more
whole
patient?
strategy. That's their whole strategy. Talk about patience.
Go ahead, Gabe.
I love
Sorry.
this.
All right, you're good. No worries. All right, so for the actual Series 3 question of the day, the motive of a hedger is to realize a profit on a position in a futures contract based on change in the value of the futures contract. True or false?
These are like
Oh.
the easiest questions.
Dude, I'm running out of options, man. Give me a break.
I
You
know.
want to write these?
We gotta talk. We gotta talk to MP. Like, what is the status of everyone on the Series 3? It's been a while since we've had some Series 3s being taken around here, I feel like.
Start collecting those
I
receipts,
passed.
Jack.
Dolby's passed.
Mm-hmm.
Coder.
mean-
Gabe?
I think Dre and I have not passed.
Okay.
So we're being punished? Well, yeah. This is your
Yes.
punishment. You have to find new Series 3 questions.
That's right.
The answer's false.
Yeah.
All
false.
right.
This is a
thanks for
description of a
spoiling it for me.
speculator.
Gabe, if you pass, you should make Andre do the questions until he passes. That should be like the burden you have to bear.
Yeah.
Like the opposite of a
idea.
turnover chain.
Mm. Or you know what we could do?
All right.
Jay and I was talking about this Monday. I was talking about this earlier this week. Doing push-ups. I see there's already people. I think I seen someone doing it already.
Push-ups after
Do a
losing trade?
question. Q&A. What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we
Push-ups
do a
after a
Q&A,
losing
you get
trade?
it wrong, you do
Yeah.
push-ups.
I like it.
Yeah. Hey, shout out
We
to
did it
Mandy
earlier.
F. Mandy F is in chat. She had her very first Fast Markets appearance today. Pretty fun.
She killed
Good
it,
seeing
too.
you in chat, Mandy. Hope you enjoyed your time on air. I think we certainly did. It was pretty awesome. don't think you got the trades you wanted, though. I think you ended up red. What I love, though, Mandy, is that you just laugh through losing trades. I think that's amazing. It's such
And
good
she was
spirit.
basically scratch. She came
Yeah.
out. I mean,
Oh,
it'd
is
be
it
so
scratch?
easier
Okay.
for first time on here to, get down and then get downer, so to speak. But she
Mm-hmm.
stayed to her system. It was great.
That was great. Good vibes. Great vibes. Oh, only down 284. Finished the day up green. Hell yeah. That's awesome. Well done. Well, still in
Because
a
Russell is
You
kind
do
of
shootout.
leading us
nonstop
lower
trade.
here.
Yeah.
Or just
How many
nothing. This is
push-ups
plenty.
can you do nonstop?
Non-stop? Ooh. 70, maybe?
We counted
All
this
right,
once
okay.
before. We had a video.
Yeah.
I'll try and look it
Yeah,
up
we did.
sometime of Dolby.
It's an old one.
Impressive, nonstop. I'm at
Order filled.
52, 53.
Oh, it's pretty good. It's really good.
We also asked
like
people in
tinnitus in my
chat.
elbow. Oh yeah. Chat. What's the most?
Order
Please,
filled.
we got a bunch of videos. I'm scared of how many people can beat my ass from the chat.
Yeah. See
Cake
over
was
under on
right
that.
so far. We're selling off a little bit. We're back to the point of control, volume point of control in the ES right now.
Yeah. Nothing going on. This
Mandy F.
is.
Does Dakota like fry sauce? Fry sauce is a Utah thing.
Yeah, aren't you in
That is
Utah?
for sure. What's that?
Oh, yeah. What is it? What is the fry sauce?
You don't know what fry sauce is, Dobie?
I'm from Chicago.
Mayonnaise
You know
and
what
ketchup.
giardiniera is?
Yeah, it's mayo.
Order
ketchup
filled.
Oh, yeah.
mixed
I
together.
used to eat that as a kid. It's great. I don't know. It's called fry sauce. I thought it was like a German thing where they mix the mayo and the ketchup. That's how I was introduced to it.
Mm.
Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. That's what my mom taught me. We'll see. I don't know how you have
What about
great fry sauce. It's just ketchup and mayo. I guess you just have
What
great
sauce
ketchup
do you
and
have on
mayo.
hot dogs?
Mustard, of course. It's the only answer. It's only mustard.
Cody, you look so disappointed.
Mustard's, I don't know.
You like a
I've
mustard
never
mayo
liked
combo.
I think that's Dijon, right?
Dijonnaise, a garlic aioli. Some other words.
Yep. Love a good aioli.
I think that was the play, Jay.
Bechamel?
We buy Mo's
Buy 472s.
470s and sell your
Yeah.
520s.
Until it stops working.
That's a 50-point range. I mean, that's like that's pretty solid for a trade. It's moving so slowly. It's just not a lot of conviction. It feels like.
The question is, do we like it again when it comes back up here to 520s? Eventually, this is going to break, right? I don't see us staying in a 50-point range. Does it break before MOC?
Oh.
Here it is right here.
If you like it, it is a long candlestick, though. We got 12 minutes to MOC.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Well, that should add a little bit of volatility, which is great. We could use some. We could use a tweet right now. We could use news. Just really anything to get this market shaken up a little bit. Just a little bit. The machine. Love you, boys, but I miss Dre. We miss Dre, too. He's currently at dinner, though, with the 10-year gang. MP is treating the OGs to Top Step to a very, very nice dinner, which is awesome. It's a good time going out with MP. Man knows how to party. You're saying gold. Scott, you're saying gold is bombing? Gold should be pretty slow right now. Did anyone check on that? I don't have data. I don't have data on it.
I mean, I do. It's down.
Order filled.
Is it moving like right now, though?
A little. I don't trade a lot of gold. By that I mean none.
I mean, pit session closes at 1:30, so it's pretty unusual to see a lot of volatility. It's like crude oil. Hey, Jay, you take those 20s? You're 20 points up.
I was just about to click the button, Dolby. I was making sure I was going to take it with micros. I was going to take it with micros. I don't want to, like, again, I see this range breaking, but let's see. 472s. Here it comes again.
That's the range trade for you. It's scary as hell, and then it looks super obvious 2 minutes later.
Michael, that was so random. Did Dakota really take out 227,800 for one of the payouts?
Oh, Mandy's angry. She's angry at the time limit thing. 1 minute time restriction on typing.
Oh, well, we could hook you up, Mandy. We have
Yeah, we'll
ways
hook
and
you up.
back too.
You're pretty cool. Big range. I'm still looking for this 30-minute range to break out. We're almost in the middle of it. The middle of the 30-minute range is about 45s, maybe about 45s, maybe 490s. Zoro
I think maybe
X-ray.
we'll start a thing.
Yeah, what do you got?
Like well behaved. If we notice someone who's consistently well behaved in chat, we'll take off the restriction. It's a tragedy to the commons though, because if we take that off,
now
we'll get
blue name. Blue name.
Yep.
Hey, there you go, Mandy.
Mandy, you can now type as much as you want. You can respond to all the haters. Unlimited chatting privileges. There you go. We're just
Now
gonna have
she's
like a
start just
sea of blue
harassing us.
people. That would be so funny if Mandy just becomes like unhinged with the blue name.
I think the funniest thing
Nope.
about slow mode. I think the funniest thing about slow mode in a chat is when people are arguing, then you have to wait a minute to send the next comment in your argument.
That's right. It's like the ultimate discipline.
Telegrams. You'll besmirch my honor.
Right.
I love it. We should have like an April Fool's Day where we let all the haters just turn blue and everyone else goes back to normal and just turn them loose in chat. I want every single hater to be blue. Just uncork them all day, 7 hours
Lord
of just
help
talking
us.
shit. It would be hilarious. Okay, back up to those 20s. Do we like them this time?
I mean, I heard a great range trader say you trade the range until it breaks.
It's true. That is true. Unfortunately, I'm driving.
And I think
I
we might be
take
breaking.
a short. What do you want to take a short? Or we could break
Theoretically, this is the range trade. Maybe you could even get it a little bit better, closer to like 525s off the 30-minute chart. But yeah, this is the range trade.
Got knocked down real quick.
I don't want to be in a position 15 minutes
I'll
before
take
earnings.
That's okay. That's what I got Jack for.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it is the same vibes as yesterday. Power hour has been
48,
lame
50.
hour recently.
Where do I want this stop? See, I don't want the break too far out of here.
Yeah, it's going to break eventually.
It's getting a little saucy. It's getting a little fry saucy.
Mayo and.
Are you in yet or no? Oh, you are in. Okay, cool.
I'm in.
How many?
50. Just one. Yes.
All right.
One mini. Okay.
That's what I've been doing all day, man.
Yeah, he has a cushion. $715. Jack has been crushing it.
Nice.
About to be $400. So we got to turn around here. I was just looking an excuse to take my take trade.
Just jumping in there. You're doing everyone a service, Jack. You're providing some tradertainment right now.
I'm going to keep tightening this up if I can.
Yeah. I mean, that is the range. That's the thing with the range. It would have worked the last 2, 3, 4 times. Does it work a 5th time?
You start taking those note cards off, as Hogue says.
Yeah,
this is not going to be good.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
They're taking my money.
I just realized I need to get my data fixed before at the buzzer. It's still not working.
You do.
Let me figure it out.
Okay. Chat, how did you trade today? Did you have a good time? Did you enjoy the volatility? Did you like the V-bounce in the indices?
This is gaining momentum, Jack.
I know it is.
A little bullish.
Yep, it does.
Stop is 4.
Here we go.
Go get Jack stop and then reverse.
Hold the line. Yeah. Stop loss is a better entry.
Yeah.
Every time.
every
Should have cut
time.
this right away. A little disappointed in that.
Well, he might be. It's like getting a little
Don't you
tripped up.
say it. We're gonna get taken out right now.
I won't say the S word. I will
Add
not
to
say the
it
S
and
word.
widen the stop.
I'm gonna go hang out with chat.
No.
You guys keep on trading.
We're out. Up
You're out? Oh,
400
damn.
bucks.
Oof. That's a good one though.
Look
Good
for
that you
another
tried.
one.
Finally broke out. Finally broke out. That's unfortunate.
Still do like the short though.
Oh, you always got
Get out of that.
micros. Where'd Coach? Oh, Coach Jay, you're still trying to get your thing fixed. That's right.
I'm still here. Yeah, still here. Just
Okay, cool.
Or
Order filled.
Maybe. Oh man, this thing really picked up.
44. Okay, what we got in red there?
Order filled.
Is last week's high. Let's see if we run out of momentum. I have to wait for MOC.
Yeah. MOC, 5 minutes. That is the market on close. It is an order type. Got to get those orders filled. That's what Peter Tuchman does. That's his specialty. Gotta say.
What's going on here?
That's just bidding. Maybe this is some MOC, pre-MOC action going on. Some news.
Clicked it by mistake.
Order filled.
One short. This is the curse of power hour, man.
It is. Oh, power hour is kind of fun. I think the last 10 minutes of power hour.
We get 4 minutes.
A lot of volatility.
Already
Dan
have the
says
earnings or something.
Order filled.
Stocks are taking off. We got Microsoft coming up, so it could be maybe short covering into Microsoft, because Dan F says the Mag 7 is on the up and up.
Today's the last
Feels
day of the
right.
month too, right?
It was a quick move though. Yeah, it could
last day of
be.
the month.
Yeah.
End of month flows.
Yeah.
One of the most wildest months in a while.
Yeah, no kidding.
Popping it off right here. Why not? Why not end the last day of the month down 2.5 and then rallying right back up to settlement? Like that summarizes April.
Yeah. I'll live by the sword, die by the sword.
Mm-hmm.
This will be my last trade when this gets taken out here. I'm
Okay.
not gonna give up.
No, gotta end green. Mandy F. Dakota, do monthly options end today?
No, the monthlies are from, yeah.
But they
Is
have
it third
daily
Friday?
options. They have week. I mean, they have options expiring daily anymore.
Yeah.
I was
here they
talking
come
to
for us.
Order filled.
Damn, bastards.
They're coming.
Order
I
filled.
have
Trying to-
Lisa Y on the show, and I actually had the pleasure
Awesome.
to. Yeah, she is super cool. Super cool. It's gonna be a great interview. Incredibly talented trader. But we were talking about she got into zero DTEs, and she was saying when she got into them, they only traded Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and she just crushed it. And then when they went Monday through Friday, it like totally threw her off and like changed everything about the market, everything. So
There's
that's a
gonna be
question I'm gonna
pullback at
ask
some
her.
point here. We got out for now. We're still green,
This is a
Dolby.
strong rally. Oh, good.
Dolby, talk me into this. I was not expecting this.
I wasn't expecting this move. It is 100 points. It's like a casual 100-point move right now, out of nowhere.
Yes, it is.
Order
Off of
filled.
Those levels.
Most
Testing the high of that tape rep. Someone know something? What's happening here?
I think it's just a consolidation breakout. I mean, it's a
Yeah.
You can argue that that is a bullish flag that we just occurred. We rallied from what 360 up to all the way up to 580, and we've been kind of slowly consolidating here. Now we just pick the directions and overnight highs. Where's the overnight highs at? It's right up there in these
Order filled.
600s.
Mm-hmm.
We got MOC in 23 seconds.
And we do not have Eddie. We do not have Eddie. So
you
whoever
can
in
see what
chat,
the price does. You can get a good idea.
Oh yeah, good idea of it.
Order filled.
MOC in 10 seconds. If you're in a trade, get ready for some volatility. If you don't want the volatility, you better get flat. It's coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, Savage. Bam, there we go.
Well,
They're running it.
there's those 600s.
Yep. Into the direction of the
Hold
market.
up.
Wow.
And just like that,
Wow.
we
what a
are
move.
Here's
right here
settlement,
settled.
Wait a
642.
second.
Yep.
I'm assuming this is buy side. The question is how much?
Waiting for short.
Someone says 2.9 bill.
Tom Ray,
2.9
unofficial
bill?
2.9 bill. That's a
The
lot
buy side, I presume.
for buy side. Well, I mean,
Oh,
it's
the
what
chat
chat
said
says.
that.
So take what you
Order
got.
filled.
It's not the exact. Oh, there we go. Cooney's got it.
To 630s, blasting
Highs of
through overnight
days.
high. We were just down
What a close.
2.75%. We're now
Almost a 200
turning
point move.
green.
Push it.
Yep. Almost positive on the day. About 0.2% off from being. We can get the settlement. Yeah, obviously, if we get the settlement, then it's.
What? Doing a price action trade maybe here. We'll see if it keep on pumping.
Well, we're officially unchanged on the day. Man, this power hour just lulled us to sleep and then bopped us over the head with a almost 200 point move. What in the hell was that? Not 200, but a lot. 150. Wow.
And then here comes the earnings too in 10
Yeah.
minutes.
Yep. So we got our volatility. It just happened 40 minutes into the segment. Chat, did you expect this move?
Order filled.
If you did,
Yes. Yes, they
Jack
did.
can drop you a application to Hindsight Capital. Always hiring.
The earnings out or something.
I don't know. It's
Order filled.
Should be an
They
expensive
did the
power
same
hour
thing
for me.
before Tesla. Right before Tesla earnings, we
Like
had
it
that
pumped right
huge
before
rally.
it.
Looks like the numbers change, but Cooney posted a link.
We're just-
S&P 500 buy side was 2.9 billion. If I'm reading this right, and then Nasdaq was 1.3 billion buy side. It's all buy side.
Oh, this is terrible.
This thing is cruising.
But buy the dip.
Be down money now.
Oh no!
I'm still
Jack.
waiting for the. Yeah. This is crazy.
Yeah, welcome to Power Hour. We Doritoed
That's
for
fine.
40 minutes, only to rally 170 points and counting in the last 20. Just
There's
wild
some real.
move. Wild move.
I think there's a lot more crushing
Order
going on
filled.
than the loss I
Someone's
took
gonna-
there.
Order
Four highs.
filled.
Yeah.
Come
Just
on.
shorts absolutely getting destroyed. What's the tilt?
Order
rate?
filled. Order
Waiting for the
filled.
Big puke.
50-50. Across the
Casual
board.
200-point banger.
Casual 200-point banger. Man,
Right off of Mo's level.
they.
What a move.
What do you do? What do
You buy
you
the
do?
dip.
Still pushing
I
a lot
buy
of
the
short
dip.
covering.
Dakota, cannot wait till we are back into that sort of
I mean,
vibe of the market. It's the
on-
most fun.
April 25th, I asked, is this buy the dip mode? And you know what? We seen it last week, April 25th, and ever since we've been selling off, it's been buyable dips. And today was just a big dip, a big buy the dip day.
Order filled.
I mean, look at it. Like buy the dip, like each day, each one of these days. And this was the dippest of the dips.
Order filled.
Ooh,
All right, we're
back.
back.
Order
positive.
filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice trade.
Order
What'd you do?
filled.
Some
Order
magic back
filled.
there? What was the trade?
I was just waiting to like it kept on. I was just waiting for the
Order
pullback
filled.
off of like the shorts puking here. Like it's not going to go forever. We could get some
Order filled.
Was it another short? Third short in a row?
Yeah, it's once it bounced off. I'd be
Okay.
probably short now still. Let's see if we can go take out some more shorts above there.
Wow, Craig put up 120 points on that move. Well done. Anne Marie called out a potential megaphone, I believe on the daily, which I do kind of see.
Order filled.
The daily is
Order
still range
filled.
bound. I mean, we're very, very close to the highs.
Let's
and
go break the
coming
lower
out of
day
it.
now.
Yeah,
Go break the
Order
lower day.
filled.
just Trump tweet last minute of the day.
19,100. Come on.
Go
I'll be
fill 'em.
negative again by the end of this. I'm just playing around with the price action right now. It's going to come back and hit the new highs.
Jack is just vibing with the market
Trying to
right
read the
now.
tape, but it's going fast. I mean, you don't get too many opportunities.
Dancing with the Nasdaq. Like dancing with the porcupine. All right, trading 19,680s, almost new highs on the day, up 0.2%.
This
Order
is
filled.
insane.
Shorts are getting queasy.
Order filled.
This is where I'd put like a sell stop down here somewhere.
Just sell 50, Jack. Just slam it.
No,
Send
not
MP
yet. We're gonna
Send MP a text. Let them know.
Order filled.
Take a screenshot.
we're out for now, but there's an opportunity here for something special.
There is.
Order
There's
filled.
definitely something special.
Order
in the market
filled.
Right now. This is a ridiculous move.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Call MP.
Call them up.
Order
Got the
filled.
let on. Oh, we got
Order
power
filled.
content. Gabe, come on in.
Order filled.
Let's do it. Got a couple minutes left.
All right, let's do
Carl
it.
Hungus meme.
Yeah, I'm saving it for last.
Oh,
We got a couple to get through. We got John Ivanhoe, best month. Began a new XFA, earned 2 more.
Order filled.
8178 gross funded profits. Context though, I bought my first trading TopStep account in June of 2023, trading on an iPad.
Order filled.
On a laptop in July of 2023. I didn't know shit. Thank you, TopStep TV. Thanks, John.
Order filled.
Shout out to John.
Order filled.
Lunatic alumni. Shout out to John.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hell yeah, absolutely.
Order
We
filled.
got NQ scouts.
Order
still
filled.
breaking my own records day after day. 4,100 today, mostly from
Order
Mike,
filled.
trade in a
Order
whole lot of
filled.
patience. This
Order
power
filled.
not be trading funded accounts. Head down.
Order filled.
Staying in my lane, and it's paying off for you, NQ scalps. We got Lost Trader. I need to zoom in because my eyes are not that great. That is way too small. Who else have got their ass saved
Order
by the
filled.
lockout button?
Order
Thank
filled.
you for that top step. Untradeable markets tilted me lockout button.
Order
That's the
filled.
truth.
Order filled.
That is the truth. Next,
Order
we got
filled.
Crypto
Order
Fieri,
filled.
or Fiery, one of the two. Passed my
Order
combine
filled.
in
Order
20 days.
rejected.
Yeah,
And
There
got
we go.
a
My
trading
setup.
buddy. Yep,
that's my setup.
similar to Dolby.
Mm-hmm.
Order rejected.
Just
Mm.
lounging around.
Order rejected.
We got
Uh-huh.
Coach Hoop, day 6 in a row of green.
Order
Locked in the
rejected.
Books early. Result was a pass combine. 2 of my VIP joined me as well. On the pick.
Order filled.
Very proud of these traders sticking
Order
it out.
filled.
Dashboard. Let me know super quick. Also proud to be these traders coach. So Hoop is in a new XFA. Shout out to you, Hoop. Appreciate all that you do for
Order
us and
filled.
your traders. And then we got Carl Hungus. We have an absolute killer
Order
on
filled.
TopStep TV for power. We got Lil Coda.
All right.
Lil Coda.
Order filled.
Oh my
The
goodness.
NQ
let's
killer.
go. Let's
Order
go.
If
filled.
you don't know, that's a screenshot of Kodak Black from a Rolling Loud concert, and that's
Dude, we gotta get you a
chose to
Louis coat, man. We gotta get you
mash
a
your
Louis coat.
face in. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Back to you.
Thank you,
Oh,
Gabe.
man.
Thank you to Lost Trader Carl Hungus and everyone else who submitted the memes. Love it. We got Lil Coda with us, crushing the markets. Put up $4,000 during lunch. Is that true? All of that in lunchtime?
Yep. One trade.
Yep. One trade a
It was
day
a
keeps
short.
the haters away. It was a short. You're a bad
Was
man.
it short?
You are
Nah.
a bad man. 20 seconds till the close.
That was a
12
wild month end, wasn't it?
That was
Yeah, it
nutty.
was.
Yes, it was.
That was
Oh,
nutty.
here's the move.
Were you in? Where'd you pull it?
No, I gotta stop trying to go for it. It's a unique opportunity. Now here's the sell-off.
There it is. That's the bell. Gabe, are you doing the outro?
Whoa. Okay. Oh wow. Wait.
No.
What was your over under, Jay?
Oh,
520.
520s. Finished way over.
Way under. Yeah, we're way over.
Hold on.
We might see it
Like we
here.
might hit it for a second.
What's up?
Yeah.
Looked like we might hit it for a second.
Order filled. Order filled.
I do. At the buzzer.
Order
Me and Chris
filled.
Paul
Order
will talk
filled.
about the earnings. We got Meta, Microsoft, and what
Order
happened in the markets
filled.
for the day, what we can expect for the rest of the week. We'll review what happened today. Thanks,
Love
Dolby.
it. Not a problem. Dakota, what do you got going on tonight?
I got Coach Jay's joining me for slow markets. We're gonna. I don't know if this market's gonna be slow. Actually, we're gonna
I don't
find
think
out.
so.
This market's
No.
moving 100 points every time.
Order
I move
filled.
away from the screen. Yeah.
Order
I don't
filled.
know.
Crazy moves.
We'll see.
Sweet. Well, Jack, any final words before I kick it off to Gabe?
No, man, I'm gonna go walk around the block, maybe stop by the 7-Eleven. Good stuff like that.
Sounds good. I'm gonna talk to Mo. Gabe, how are
Order
you, man?
filled.
Take us home.
All right, sounds good. Well, thank you everybody for joining us today. It has been an awesome day.
Order
The
filled.
markets have been either boring
Order
or
filled.
entertaining, depending on kind of what you're looking for. But
Order
regardless, we're gonna
filled.
Go through a quick rundown of what we got planned for tomorrow, so that you know who to expect. As we just mentioned, we do have At the Buzzer with Coach Jay and Coach Paul here.
Order
right
filled.
at 3:15 Central. You have Coach Jay joining Coach Dakota this evening.
Order
for slow
filled.
markets at
Order
7:30
filled.
Central.
Order
And
filled.
overnight, if you are
Order
a night
filled.
owl or up in the early AM,
Order
you have
filled.
Aaron Loose with the
Order
open at
filled.
1:30 Central.
Order
As
filled.
well as
Order
we have
filled.
Deanna,
Order
Eurotrade
filled.
at 3:30 AM Central.
Order
And then we'll see you
filled.
back tomorrow.
Order
Tomorrow's
filled.
calendar. What we've got Coach Dre joining us in the morning for
Order
the
filled.
call. We have Coach Dakota and Barron coming back tomorrow for Fast Markets. Chad is returning.
Order
Chad was the
filled.
one with the
Order filled.
Victorious shirt. I'm not sure if you remember Chad's little dress shirt that he had on with some fish. But we
Order
got Chad
filled.
returning for the Rising Star segment. We have Deanna, Coach Jay, and Coach Hoop loading up the lunchbox trading hours. Myself and Bonnie will be back for Top Quiz in the afternoon for the 1 p.m. hour. We also have Coach Jay and Coach Hoop with Alfie coming in for the afternoon. And then finally, to finish off
Order
the
filled.
takeover, we have Coach Jay and Dakota for Power Hour. So it should be a fun day tomorrow. Pretty much just coach heavy the second half of the day. So come back and join us, hang out. In the meantime, get some rest, have a fantastic evening, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.
Order filled. Order filled.
I've never felt so good in my life. I'm
Order
on an absolute
filled.
roll, podiuming at every single competition during the year.
7-5 for the kid from Aspen. A tremendous showing.
And this is our 5th contest, and I'm feeling like I'm on cloud 9.
First thing with this system is the wind starting to hit a 30 mile per hour range with gusts easily up and over 40.
And then in one fell swoop, literally 1 second, and my whole season, my whole world flips upside down on itself. I thought for sure I had broken my ankle, at least torn some tendons in my ankle, maybe have torn my ACL in my knee, and all the work I'd put in was coming to a screeching halt. When the doctor read the MRIs, it looked like he couldn't even believe the screen. No ligaments were torn, and I couldn't believe it. The dream is still alive. It had really only just begun. And I knew that I needed to work so hard in order
Order
to make it
filled.
better. My life 100% consisted of healing, day after day. Wake up, 7:30 sharp, morning meditation, PT exercises, eat breakfast, oatmeal, blueberries,
Order filled.
physical therapy, an hour, hyperbaric chamber, an hour, Novathor bed, 30 minutes, drive to the gym.
Order filled.
Stretch 20 minutes. Bike 20 minutes. Workout 45 minutes. Hot tub 20 minutes. Drive home.
Order filled.
Sauna,
Order
visualization.
filled.
Every run over and over again. Heat, ice, heat, ice, heat, ice. Over and over and over again. Go to
Order
sleep,
filled. Order
do it
filled.
again. Wake up, 7:30 sharp. The only thing on my mind, the only thing I could focus on, the only thing I could possibly do was get better. Feels like the bone in the bone. I'm gonna do every single minute detail that I possibly can, because if I leave anything on the table, I'll regret it for the rest of my life. The day after I got injured at Mammoth, I was probably at 30%. Exactly a month and 2 days after, close to 100%. I'm feeling like me and me more and more every day. Wake up, 7:30 sharp.
Order filled.
Every day.
Order filled.
Every day.
Order filled.
The reality is there's no roadmap to tell you, okay, I can do
Order
this trick
filled.
right now, or I can't do this trick right now. It's like, how do I feel?
Order filled.
Okay, I feel pretty good. Can I do a 540?
Order filled.
Okay, can I do a 900? Okay, I can do the 900. Can I do the 900 the other way, to the right?